Hello, hello. Welcome to my channel, Spanglish Builds, a place to share information in English and Spanish language. Today we are going to review some verbs, cooking verbs, and the imperative mood. So going to the point. The imperative mood o modo imperativo es aquel que nos sirve para dar instrucciones, para dar una orden o para hacer una solicitud. Generalmente pedir ayuda. So the first example is get out of here. Get out of here. This is like an order. Sal de aquí. The next one, help me lift the box. Ayúdame a levantar la caja. This is a request. Es una solicitud. Now let's talk a little bit about the grammar structure. Creo que es uno de los tiempos más sencillos. Simplemente ponemos, cuando es en forma afirmativa, el verbo tal como lo encontramos en el diccionario, es decir, en su forma infinitiva, without to, en su forma infinitiva, para no complicarnos, como lo encontramos en el diccionario, y el complemento. Now we have our review. Ya hemos visto algunos verbos utilizados en la cocina. So, la idea is to check how much I remember. So the first one is boil some water. Boil some water. Now, picture number 1, number 2, number 3. Yes. Picture number 2. Hierve un poco o algo de agua. The next one. Wash the tomatoes. Wash the tomatoes. Picture number 3. Lava los tomates. The next example is a way to write an imperative mood en forma negativa. Para escribir una oración en imperative mood forma negativa, utilizamos la palabra don't. Don't. Don't cut too much spinach. No cortes muchas espinacas. Don't cut too much spinach. So, what is the picture? Picture 2. Don't chop much asparagus. Don't chop much asparagus. Picture 3. The last instruction. Take the meat out of the barbecue. Take the meat out of the barbecue. Picture 3. Don't add sugar to my lemonade. Picture 3 again. Now we almost finish our video. The idea is to write more sentences in imperative mood using the next verbs. Whisk, blend, grate, flip, stir, and that is all. Thank you for watching, and I see you on the next video. Bye.